Hey there, this is Pete from Talus, and today I'm going to be showcasing a couple of products from our catalog as used caring for metal objects. Here we'll be working with a heavily tarnished silver icon. To begin, I'm going in with a microfiber cloth to clear away any surface level dust or debris. As you can see, we have a little while longer to go with this one. Next, I'll be going in with the Pre-Lim metal burnisher. As a slightly abrasive cleaner, it'll help cut through the tarnish without scratching the surface. Using a soft rag and light pressure, I'm burnishing on the product, rubbing it away as it dries. You'll notice a fair amount is getting stuck in the fine details, but don't worry. As it dries and works its magic, the Pre-Lim will reduce to a chalk-like powder and is easily removed with a cloth or a brush. Already, we're noticing a massive difference. Just look at the pure silver peeking through years of oxidation. I'm going in with a cotton swab next to get some of those tighter corners and finer details. Within the span of only 10 or so minutes, we've made spectacular progress. Finally, we'll be going in with the Renaissance wax to polish the surface, coating it to prevent further tarnishing. The micro-crystalline base has been especially formulated to remain pH neutral and protect metal objects like this one for years to come. Wow, just look at that. Be sure to go back to the beginning of this video to see just how much difference a little time and care has made. And be sure to check out the mentioned products on talusonline.com.